Hi Coach Sullivan, and today I'll be teaching you how to upcycle cardboard. Due to the throwaway culture that we're experiencing, we'll have to find ways to combat waste by conserving and reusing materials and adding value into them. One such common material will be cardboard, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a cardboard lamp out of it. Cardboard you need to make the cardboard lamp. The most common material that you can find is the fluted cardboard. The fluted cardboard gives a proper structure due to the flute design that helps to hold the cardboard in place while making it lightweight at the same time. The fluted cardboard comes in many different variants, such as a single flute and a double flute, the latter being much stronger. Note the lines on the fluted cardboard. They are what makes it unique in its structure. The lines are very flexible as it allows you to hold the structure and bend them along the lines. Secondly, you need to sketch out your design of the lamp before cutting the cardboard out. Two components, the base and the wall. The base is the area where the lamp will be fitted into. First, get a small piece of cardboard to be the base. Using the rim of the lamp, mark out the diameter of the lamp on the cardboard to ensure a tight fit onto the base. Bend the sides of the base to a rectangular form. Sketch out slots on your base by measuring the thickness of the walls. For the walls, sketch out your design onto the cardboard and ensure that there is enough space and height for the lamp and base to fit onto the walls. Electric store or the IKEA furniture store. You need a pen knife, a metal ruler, and extra cardboard to get started. Place the cardboard over the cardboard. Ensure that the pen knife will not scratch on other surfaces such as the table. Place the metal ruler along the straight lines just and cut through. Repeat this several times until the cardboard pieces have separated. Surroundings at all times. Always have ample space before cutting. Ensure that your hands are away from the line the blade is cutting through, and never use force to cut your cardboard. Only apply a little pressure and repeat on the line. You will need to hold the cardboard while cutting. Ensure that your non-cutting hand is away from the pen knife. Once you are done, attach the walls onto the base using the slots that you have just cut out. Use either glue, tape, or staples to stick the outer walls onto the sides of the base. And now the structure is in place. You just have to add the lamp onto the base, screw the bulb in, and voila! So there you have it, a cardboard lamp that you can make for your friends and family. So with just a bit type of creativity, you can just turn anything from disposed cardboard into something of use. If you like what you see right here, visit us at www.repairkopitiam.sg to find out more about our Repair Kopitiam events in a neighborhood near you.